You can make a professional ad without any camera, without any studio, which will compete with real production. Would you believe me? No, right? Then watch this. This video looks like a professional Maggi ad, but it is made entirely with AI. Every single shot, every single frame, and every single motion is AI generated. And today I will show you step by step how you can make such ads using Nano Banana Pro and Kling AI for any product, with just an AI tool and a laptop. First, let's talk about storyboarding. So, whenever I make an ad, I write simple notes first. Basically, a rough outline. For example, I have thought of this for the Maggi ad. I want to show how Maggi gets ready in 2 minutes. So I should have a packet shot, then an opening shot, raw noodles, putting Maggi in boiling water, adding spices, and serving it in a bowl. And finally, reaction. Now this is a basic idea, but to refine it, I use ChatGPT. I simply type this in ChatGPT. I'm creating a cinematic food advertisement for Maggi 2-minute noodles. I want to show the cooking process from packet to bowl. Break this down into a specific shot with camera angles and details. And ChatGPT will give me an exact shot list. ChatGPT will convert your rough idea into a proper shot list. And our storyboard is ready. So let's see how you can use this blueprint, i.e. storyboard, to convert it into actual cinematic shots. The interesting part of the video has started, which you have come to see. So I have come to Higgsfield's website. Follow along with the workflow step by step and grab the link or deal in the description before we start. This is an all-in-one creative suite where you can create AI images and videos. Here you will find Nano Banana Pro and Kling 2.6, which we are going to use in our videos. Now, first of all, we will create a hero shot. Hero shot means your product or character's best image, in which the product is visible, the lighting is right, the position is right, and the color is exactly as you want. By using this image, you will be able to generate consistent images from any AI model. After coming to Higgsfield, I will click on Create Image, select Nano Banana Pro model. I will set the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is the format of YouTube. To generate my first image, I have written a prompt. Top-down cinematic flat lay of a classic Maggi 2-minute noodle packet placed on a wooden kitchen table. Surrounding element include garlic clove, red chili star anise, and subtle spice accent. Warm directional lighting, soft shadows, premium food, flat lay composition, clean branding. Visibility, packet perfectly readable, high realism, shallow depth of field, and commercial food photography style. Here I have written a very detailed prompt, and I have given some specific details, like camera angle. I have kept it top down. Setting, I have kept a wooden kitchen table, and in props, I need garlic, chili, star anise, lighting. I have kept warm directional lighting, style. Commercial food photography, because we are making a food ad. So the more specific you are, the better output you will get. And after writing the prompt, click on Generate, and our flat lay image is ready. Now for the next shot, I repeat the same process, but this time, the prompt is a little different. I am telling you some of the prompts in detail so that you get an idea of how such images are generated and how we have to write the prompt. So, for the second shot, I wrote the prompt. Cinematic close-up of our hands. Gently cutting open the classic Maggi 2-minute noodle packet with scissor. Focus on packet texture, hand movement, warm kitchen lighting, shallow depth of field, and soft steam in the background and premium FMCG realism. Here, you have to mention the hands, because I want a human element. This is an accent description that explains to the AI what we want in the image, so that when we are generating videos, the model will have a good idea of what exactly we want. After this, I have to generate the third image, in which I want a close-up of a raw noodle. So for this, I have written the prompt. Ultra-realistic close-up of a raw Maggi noodle cake held between 2 hands. Detailed noodle texture, soft highlight, warm kitchen lighting, shallow depth of field, and premium food advertisement realism. This shot is important because it shows the texture of the actual product. See? 3 shots are done already. The process is so simple. Similarly, I will generate the remaining shots, like shot number 4 is noodles into a pan, Shot number 5, spice, sprinkle. Shot number 6, noodles pouring into bowl. And shot number 7, final cooked ball. And shot number 8 to 12, reaction shot. Here, I have kept different ethnicity and different age group of people to show that Maggi is from all over world. And shot number 13 is brand logo shot, which you can also call money shot. Now, when all the images are ready, now comes the part where we will convert these AI images into AI videos. To make this Maggi ad, I am going to use Kling in mainly 3 ways: to animate images, for static close-up and subtle motion. The third type, which is action-based motion or transition, is the most tricky. But let's start with the simple ones. Type number 1, static close-up. These are the simplest animations to convert AI images into videos. For example, our flat lay packet shot. I will go to Kling and upload my reference image in the start frame. Then I wrote a prompt. Top-down camera slowly zooms in on a Maggi packet. Very subtle parallax, no rotation, warm kitchen light, and packet stay perfectly centered. Basically, I am instructing the camera here to zoom in slowly, very subtle movement and no rotation, and keep the packet centered. And then I will generate the video. And you see, we get a smooth, professional zoom-in motion in our video. Type 2, motion-based animation. Now, let's come to some complex animations. For example, packet opening shot. We will repeat the same process. We will upload our reference image in the start frame. And this time, I will write a prompt. Hands lift the packet naturally. Scissors cut the top seal smoothly. Slight-handed realism, light steam behind. By telling all these details, AI understands how to move the hands, how scissors will cut the Maggi packet. Important tip: if you want a natural handheld feel in your AI videos, then you should add this keyword. Mention slight handheld realism in the prompt. Otherwise, you won't get the result you are thinking of. Everything was smooth till now. Now let's talk about type 3, which is transition. For this type of shots, I use a different approach. I use both the start frame and end frame. In the start frame, I will upload the image of noodles. In the end frame, I will upload the image of noodles, in which it is completely in the boiling pan. And after that, I will write a prompt. Noodle cakes drop into boiling water. Natural splash and steam rise. Top-down camera, smooth motion, no shake. Now, Kling will automatically create the motion between these 2 frames. See, we have almost completed the animation part. Now let's talk about some specific shots that are important in every ad. So let's start with this. To add animation to the static image, I will write a prompt. Fork lifts the noodle to mouth. Small bite taken, natural chewing, camera locked, and centered framing. And in the same way, I generate reactions of 4 or 5 different characters. In the final shot, I want to show the product of the brand, to remind you that this is the product that you have to buy. So for this, I wrote a prompt. Packet stands still. Very subtle light glow. Camera hold steady for brand recall. This shot is important because it creates the memory of the brand in the viewer's mind. So far, we have generated all the AI images. All the videos have also been animated by Kling. Now comes the final step, editing. For editing, you can use any software in which you are comfortable. I personally use Adobe Premiere Pro. The process will be the same in all. First of all, I will import all the AI-generated videos into Premiere. Then, according to my storyboard, I will arrange all the videos on the timeline. You all know that a good video is made in 2 ways. So here, you can add sound design to your videos. For example, you can add the sound effect of boiling water, cutting scissors, so that your video looks more realistic and triggers all the senses, which increases the appeal of the ad. When you are satisfied with the video, then export the video. And here is our final output. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI filmmaking tutorials. And if you want more prompts, workflows, and cinematic tricks, check out the next video on your screen.